Some see an empty bottle and think its story is over, but in the hands of a creator, it's only just beginning. Bottle decorating is the art of transformation, taking something ordinary and making it extraordinary is proof that can be found where others see waste. Every bottle holds professional potential. From the smooth elegance of wine glass to the rustic charm of a mason jar. The curve, the texture, the shape, each one is a blank canvas waiting for your imagination to bring it to life. And the best part is, it's sustainable art, giving new purpose to something that might have been thrown away. Bottle decorating has no rules. You can wrap them in jute for an earthy, rustic feel. Paint them in metallic for a modern, luxurious look. Cover them in twine and lace for vintage charm. Or fill them with the fairy lights for magic that glow in the dark. You can make tree on it. You can design it. Each design tells its own story. The details make all that difference. A ribbon tied just right, a hand painted pattern, a cluster of beads, seashells, or dried flowers. These little touches turn a plain bottle into a piece of an art. Every addition says something about the mood you want to create. Bottle decorating is more than beauty, it's functional too. Your creation can become a vase for fresh flowers, a candle holder for cozy nights, a centerpiece for a wedding table, or even a unique lamp. You are not just making decor, you are making something that will be a part of someone's moments and memories. There's no just such things as the right way to decorate a bottle. Your style, your colors, your choice of materials, that's what makes it yours. It's in this freedom that true creativity shines. When you are finished, you hold it up to the light and you see it differently. It's no longer just glass, it's personality, it's a story, it's art. And the pride you feel isn't just about how it looks, but about the journey from throwaway to trusted, treasured. So, the next time you see an empty bottle, don't just recycle it, reimagine it. Because in the right hands, even the simplest things can become unforgettable. All it takes is a little vision and a lot of heart. So season will coming, and if you want, I can also. If you want to watch these type of more designs, follow for the more. And if you are interested in painting, drawing, illustration, ड्रेस इलस्ट्रेशन, फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग क्लासेस, तो आप हमारे चैनल पे विज़िट कर सकते हैं. गो टू द चैनल एंड subscribe for more videos and more ideas. Thanks for watching my video. Once again, hope you all enjoy these designs. These are very interesting and beautiful Jude Craft Festival Edition Winter Collection. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. God bless you all.